Hello, my name is Wisnu, and I am from Nahami, Human Computer Interaction E and F. We make beli belanja online. Basically, this is a mobile app e-commerce that is used to sell groceries, foods, vitamins, or any other regular things that is sold in market in Indonesia. And beli, we created beli in here. We created because of Indonesian government physical distancing called PSBB or pembatasan sosial berskala besar in order to reduce coronavirus growth in Indonesia. As stated in many health protocols, by reducing physical contacts, we could minimize coronavirus contaminations and spreads, so we invented beli to help us fulfill primary needs by just staying at home and ordering groceries without being worried about the risk of coronavirus contaminations by going to any regular market and meeting a lot of people. And this, we also help Indonesian government to implement their physical distancing scheme and reduce coronavirus cases. And this belanja online app has its features such as profile pengguna. Here, it contains our profile, and this is the homepage of beli. And this is a phone book that contains phone numbers of any merchants or seller or dropshippers. So you can definitely buy cheaper things here. And this is the main function, main features. It is the shop page. There is categories such as sembako, supplements and vitamins, snacks, and any other things. And this is the shop recommendations based on any user reviews. And this is the checkout and page. There are couriers, and this is your card, and this is the paying method. So this is the home page of beli, acronym of belanja online, an app that we made to minimize the physical contact. So to start here, we press this, and this is the menu. This is the feature that this app had, and we have our profile here, and this is the home page. This is the main features. You basically can type here to find what you really need to buy, and this is the categories of the things that you can buy, and this is the shop recommendations. And here we got phone book. Then in this page you can basically find what you really need. What if you really want to buy things for cheap prices, you basically can call here, and they're the dropshipper. And this is the card, and this thing is what you buy, and this is the paying method, and this is the courier. That's it.
So, task script. To confirm the confusing information delivery and bad UI design, we specify the following tasks for our users. First, give critiques and evaluation about the design. Second, compare the function of the apps with any e-commerce known. Next, we have preliminary questionnaire. First, are you familiar with online shopping? Second, how often do you shop online? Third, how often do you search for something's value or price before buying it? Fourth, have you ever bought groceries online? Next, we have four users for our interview. The first one is Rajiv. He's 20 and he's taking biology on Universitas Negeri Semarang. And next we have Manggalas. He's 21. He's taking mechanical engineering on Polytechnic Negeri Semarang. And then we have Endiva. She's 20. She's taking psychology on Diponegoro University. And the last one is Reni. She's 20 and she's an entrepreneur. So here is the transcript. Basically, Rajiv is familiar with online shopping, but he never bought groceries online. He found that our button and our background have same basic color, so he can see the button clearly. Okay, next is Andifa. Andifa is familiar with online shopping. She has ever shopped the groceries online. She found that our interface is not good looking and found some messy looks on our sidebar because of too many contents at the same place. Okay, next one is Mangala. Mangala is familiar too with online shopping. Yeah, he never bought groceries online. He found that both our button and our background have same basic color. And the last one is Reni. Reni is familiar with online shopping. She has ever shopped groceries online. She found that our interface theme, I mean, I'm sorry, she found that our interface theme colors is too dark, and she suggests us to add a new feature, and the feature is to compare prices from many stores. Then skip, and then we have flow model. So there are two parts of the flow model. The first one is user, and then the other one is the application. So here is the information flow between users and the application. The red text over here are the difficulties that user got during the operate of application. So the first, the user confused how to operate while using the home page. The next one is user can see the button clearly because of same basic color with the background. And the last one is user get confused because too many contents at the same place on the home sidebar.
Hello, my name is Fachry Amir, Human Computer Interaction F, and here I want to explain about contextual analysis of our application Beli. And the first one is artifact model. There is two initial design that we have, and in the first one we can see the button in here and the phone have same basic color with the background, and it made the user cannot see the button clearly. And in the second one, we can see there is too many content in the sidebar that make the user might get confused of it. Then this is the social model of our application Beli. As we can see, the user want a grocery e-commerce and want a simple apps. That's why we made Beli. And the user conversation make us know what the user also needs. The first one, user need manual for older user, and the user need more feature too. So this is what we can do with our application. The first one is use the design on every page possible and make it clean. Don't put everything on the hem put everything on the home page and sidebar, and don't use every color. Then prototyping. This is sketch of our application. There is only one sketch that we made because we want the design is simple and clear, so the user can easy to use the application.